she is coming from a technical background, an engineer with a deadly combination of MBA. She has a successful career of 15 years as a technical writer. Himani is now the founder of Amora. Amora offers high quality handmade skin friendly soaps, body butters, and body lotions, which are free of harsh chemicals. In the last 1.5 years of her journey, Amora has seen great response from its customers. Himani is a follower of Sadhguru and a student of hypnotherapy. The motivation behind Amara comes from this background, and it started from her willingness to minimize the use of chemicals for her family and friends. Welcome, Himani.
Before you start, जब 4 मिनट रह जाएंगे तो कैसे बताने वाले हो, एक बार दिखा दो. ओके, टोटल 10 मिनट्स. जब 2 मिनट रह जाएंगे तो हाउ विल यू शो, जब 1 मिनट रह जाएगा तो हाउ विल यू शो, यू मीन टू और उसके बाद आपको रेफरेंस लिख कर ठीक है. ओके, ओवर टू यू.
Hi everyone, thank you Amrish sir for the wonderful introduction. I'm Himani and Beauty That Lies Skin Deep is what Amora is for all about. Can you hear my voice at the back?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so what we do, we are into handmade soaps, body butters, body lotions and face washes. So our ingredients mainly are consist of natural products like neem, tulsi, haldi, chandan. That's what we infuse in our products. They are different from market products. We create small batches. So every time you order from us, you will get something which is made fresh within a week or 15 days max. We don't use harsh chemicals. We don't use many preservatives. That's why the shelf life is also limited. Although products can stay till 1 year, still we encourage people to just use within 6 months and just finish them off. And our products are safe for your skin, safe for the environment. That is the biggest thing. Our mission: provide natural products that truly make your skin healthy inside out. So why handmade products are important? In market products, what happens? There are many detergents, lathering agents, artificial aromas, chemicals are used because the shelf life has to be increased. They have to mass produce, so the quality takes a toll on it. And over a period of time, your skin shows lot of problems. It can be dryness, it can be eczema. Sometimes whatever you rub on your skin is very important. If it goes into your bloodstream, it may cause internal allergies which you may not even know why it is happening. And so natural products, going back to our earth, taking products from there is very important for us. Handmade products are rich in glycerin. So can anyone tell me what is the role of glycerin? हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं ग्लिसरीन लगाओ, मम्मी भी लगाती थी, हमें मुझे भी लगी है बहुत. किसी को पता है ग्लिसरीन का क्या रोल है? एनीवन? कैसे? नहीं. So glycerin क्या करती है? It absorbs the moisture from the atmosphere and it creates a protective layer on your skin. So that's why it is important. That's why it moisturizes. It retains your moisture. So our products are very, very rich in glycerin. They have skin-loving oils, the natural oils, essential oils, and they are environment friendly. And we also use high-quality raw material. We make sure that our raw material is safe even for kids. This is some images of my products. I'll get side. You can see my aromatherapy soap, which are crafted with love. Purely, it's my passion. And our aromatherapy soaps are infused with essential oils. Our exfoliating soaps have natural ingredients like coffee granules. It has oats and honey. It has orange peel powder, almond powder, and so on. We have special kids soap which are completely safe from kids. We recommend like 2 years beyond anyone can use it. Ayurvedic sachet soap consists of haldi chandan soap and kesar tulsi soap. So you name it, the natural ingredients, and it is there for all skin types. Then comes our body butters, which are paraben free, 100% natural formula. It is formulated such that it leaves a protective layer on your skin, which works for 12 to 14 hours once applied. You have your samples on your table. You can try, apply it now, and till evening the effect will be there. So these are rich in vitamins, rich in antioxidant, prevents skin aging, and provides nourishment to your skin naturally. You can see this example. We never created it for cracked heels and feet. However, someone used it for 15 days on cleaned skin and see the results. When it is working on such hard skin, so how much protection it will provide to your entire body. You can just imagine. So throughout winter, just use it and you will forget that your skin was ever dry. Another thing, Jojoba Nourishing Body Lotion. It is a hydrating lotion. Again, over a period of time, it will nourish your skin. It will work from inside. This is a very, very rich lotion. The ingredients are here: glycerine, mango butter, and vitamin E. And thank you so much for the display. We have displayed all our products here, and you can try and you can grab some for yourself. Then gifting solutions. So again, this lockdown was a boon for us. We have been creating gifts for anniversaries, wedding, birthdays, return gifts, small, big, whatever your range is budgeted. We customize it as per your requirement. Our specialty is our name soaps, which are very, very popular for all age groups. People get created entire hampers with the name soaps only for their entire family. Then other specialties are partners. We are partnered with Meghna Jain, who runs Chocoboard, our Unnati Wing member. Another our partner is Mom's Favor by Sonal Kapoor, Uthan Wing member. So we collaborate and create hampers. This is some of the work we have done during this season for Diwali, for Karwa Chauth, and for anniversary special hampers, for birthday hampers, and everything. This is our new launch Christmas special, especially for kids. These are all skin safe glycerine and milk soaps, which are infused with essential oils. And these are our new products: oat, honey soap, shea butter soap, aura cleansing soap, face wash, and cocoa butter. Aura cleansing soap is basically have Himalayan pink salt, which definitely, if you believe in it, it will change your energy levels if you use it. Now, most important part. This is what keeps us going. And the first feedback I would like to highlight is from none other than our own Sharat sir. He says the fragrance is heavenly, the leather is amazing. He has written so many good words about me. He has not only done this, he has recommended me to his friends and family. And also given guarantee of our products to everyone, which is even written here. We preserve all the feedbacks because they are the thing which keeps us going.
You deserve every word of whatever.
Thank you so much, sir. And another feedback on the top is from a lady from Hyderabad who has used the body butter on her 88-year-old mom, and she writes her skin turned baby soft. Believe it or not. Another one from a mom who shifted from a branded kid soap to a Mora soap. We have many feedbacks. You can visit our website and see all the customer feedbacks. And this is something very close to my heart.
वंदे मातरम प्रगति। मित्रों, आज मैं जिस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ ना, इसने मेरे को बहुत हेल्प की है, मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाने में हेल्प की है, मेरी स्किन को हर समय फ्रेश रखने में हेल्प की है। ये प्रोडक्ट हमारी ही मेंबर हिमानी का है, औमोरा करके इनकी कंपनी का नाम है, और जोजोबो ऑयल है। जोजोबो ऑयल की क्रीम है, इसके अंदर आलमंड ऑयल भी है, मैंगो बटर भी है, और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। अगर आप इसे रोज अप्लाई करना शुरू करें, आई मस्ट टेल यू, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कई गुना बढ़ जाएगा। आप हर समय रिजुविनेटेड और फ्रेश फील करेंगे। दिस प्रोडक्ट बाय हिमानी औमोरा कंपनी। आज ही हिमानी से संपर्क करें, मैं उनका संपर्क आपसे शेयर कर लूंगा जब भी आपको चाहिए हो। थैंक यू वेरी मच हिमानी फॉर दिस वंडरफुल गिफ्ट एंड द प्रोडक्ट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
And this is, you have the magnets on your table. This is our reach. We have been shipping all over North India and reaching South also. Now I need references from you and help from you so that we can cover all over the India, and next time this magnet should be filled. So you can also help me right away with one, you can go to our Facebook page. You can search on your mobile right away. Connect with us on Facebook or Instagram, whatever you use, so that you are in touch. And also, you can grab some products I have displayed for your use, because once you will use, then only you will recommend us to your friends and family. And connect me to departmental stores like 24/7 and Neat and others, and parlors like Naturals. We are placing our first showcase in Naturals Indrapuram, and my guest is Dr. Juhi Jain, who is a senior gynecologist at Fortis Lafen and has a clinic in Mehroli, and Aditi Bhatnagar, makeup artist and owner of Naturals Indrapuram. Thank you so much, everyone. Please connect with us
Can you click the photograph?
amora.co.in. I would like everyone to pick up the phone.
Just the last slide, please.
Yeah. I will WhatsApp on the group.
Yes.
I will
It will be
WhatsApp.
shared in the group as usual every time.
Okay.
And
Fair
this is our Instagram and Facebook connect book. Please connect with us immediately. This is one step you can do right away, right now. Thank you so much. In any questions?
Joel